Hello, welcome back once again. In our today's video, we're going to solve this interesting equation. We have the square root of x plus square root of negative x is equal to 12. And in this video, we're going to solve for all values of x, right? Okay. Now we need to take note of the following. In this equation, we're going to have the following, that x must be equal to negative x, right? According to the property of this equation. We have square root of positive x plus square root of negative x equals 12. So we're going to know that x must be equal to negative x, right? Okay, for example, if we have the solution x is equal to a, then we're going to have the other solution for x, that x will be equal to negative a. So let's bear this in mind. So we must have two solutions for x. So let's get started. From the original equation, we have the square root of x plus, now here we can write that as square root of negative 1 multiplied by the square root of x, and this is equal to 12. And we know that the square root of negative 1 is imaginary, right? So we have here square root of x plus, so the square root of negative 1 is equal to iota. Then here we have the square root of x. So this will be equal to 12. Now from the left hand side, we can see that the square root of x is common. So let's factor it out. So we have here the square root of x into bracket. This divided by this will give us 1 plus this here divided by this, we're left with iota. Then this is equal to 12. Now in our next step, let us divide both sides by 1 plus iota. So here we divide this side by 1 plus iota, and here we divide this side as well by 1 plus iota. So we can see that this and this will cancel out, and from the left hand side we only have the square root of x. So this will be equal to, here we're going to rationalize, right, by the conjugate form of the denominator. We know the conjugate form of 1 plus iota is 1 minus iota. So we're going to multiply the numerator by the conjugate form and also the denominator by the conjugate form. So that will be 12 into bracket 1 minus iota, then divided by here 1 plus iota multiplied by 1 minus iota. Okay, so from this left hand side we have square root of x. So this will be equal to, so here we have 12 into bracket 1 minus iota, then divided by, so here we're going to make use of the difference of two squares formula. We know that a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So using this formula, so down here this will be 1 squared minus iota squared. So this will be equal to 12 into bracket 1 minus iota divided by, so here we have 1, iota squared is negative 1, so we have 1 minus minus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2, and dividing this we get, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we have here square root of x is equal to 6 into bracket 1 minus iota, which is equal to 6 minus 6 iota. Now we're going to square both sides to get the value for x. So x, if you square the left hand side, we'll get x. So this will be equal to 6 minus 6i squared. So which is equal to the first one here squared will give us 36 plus, now 6i squared, we know 6 squared is 36, iota squared is negative 1, so that will give us negative 36, and then we have plus 2 times this time here times this time here, so 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 times 6i will give us 72i, right? So but here we have, what do we have here? Yes, so we have here 2 times this, so we're going to have minus, yes, of course. So this will be minus 2 times the first term times the second term here. That will give us 72i. So we know 36 minus 36 is 0, so we get x is equal to negative 72i. And don't forget that x is equal to negative x. So if you multiply both sides by negative 1, we also have the following solution, that x is also equal to 72i. So therefore we have our solutions for x. X is equal to plus or minus 72i, and this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share.